This is the hallway that is going to turn into a pantry. This is basically unused space. This is a hallway, and to the right is the kitchen, left is the living room. We always walk around it. We never use it. So it's a pretty good amount of space, about 10 to 11 feet or so. Smaller ceiling compared to the rest of the house, but nonetheless, we're going to put a door over here and then kind of towards this other side over here. Before we get to the living room, we'll go ahead and put a wall up on this side where the archway is. All right, here it is, all finished. See, we got the nice new door, fresh paint. Put the texture on around it so it blends into the wall like it was always there to begin with. Some seals on the bottom to keep it real tight, keep all the dog hair out of there. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Matching door handle for the rest of the house. Voila. Floor to ceiling shelves. Got some moldings on the top to kind of tie it in so it adds more of that built-in feature look. And all in all, there's about 35 individual shelves, so it's quite a bit. Moldings on the side, smaller shelves in the back, and then the bigger, wider ones over here, which essentially is just a double version of that. And then this wall, maybe we'll put a high shelf up top, but might not be too much of anything. It's not super gigantic in here, a lot of space, but finish the molding on this side so it looks nice up top as well. And you can see that seal really makes a difference actually when you shut the door. You can actually hear it. So it's doing its job. It's going to keep it nice in here. There she is.